Hello, I'm Ari Cortez, a senior at Mountain View High School, and today I want to talk to you about your opportunity to help Evergreen Public Schools put students first. Evergreen Public Schools is putting a replacement levy on the February 8th, 2022 ballot to help preserve and maintain critical and necessary programs to assist, enrich, and provide educational opportunities for all students. Levy dollars help pay for 10 of our 15 school nurses, and in this age of COVID, they've become more vital to our schools than ever.
Okay, I've got my manual here for infectious disease control, and I'm looking it up right now to see exactly what they recommend.
Heather Jensen is one of them.
The more nurses we have, the better, and we can make sure that kids are safe and parents feel secure about sending them to school.
One such student is Ella Filer, who was diagnosed with diabetes when she was just 14 months old. Now a Union High School graduate and a freshman at Boise State University, Ella says Heather Jensen helped her learn how to manage her diabetes and keep her safe and in class.
It was honestly super helpful. I think growing up with Heather and having a school nurse, it is one of the reasons that made me so independent with my diabetes care.
Ella's mom, Bonnie, says school nurses like Heather gave her the confidence that her daughter was in good hands during the school day.
Yeah. It was a huge impact on her academics. It gave her confidence. She would grasp how to look at her blood sugar number, treat it, and move on in her school day. And it didn't interrupt the flow.
So as you consider Evergreen's replacement levy, which will not increase your local school tax rate, we wanted you to hear Ella's story and how school nurses are helping put students first.
It's been a joy. That's one of the best parts of my job, is to get to know these families really well and know that they have confidence in you, that you're taking care of their child when they're at school.
For more information on the replacement levy and the important student programs it will fund, please visit our website, evergreenps.org, and please remember to vote February 8th.